Hello friends, this is R.S. Pandian sharing my rich experience in share market. I have about 25 years of experience in share market. Also, I have 25 years of experience as HR professional in a Government of India undertaking. Last week, I had one interesting thing. One of my friend, he called on me and informed that he gained around 10,000 rupees in day trading. After retirement, he is doing such day trading, and of course, he is earning sometimes, most of the times, he is losing. Also, uh, another young friend who is IT professional but nowadays working from home, he called on me. He told he also gained something. But in the subsequent days, both are telling only about losses. Today I lost around 5,000 rupees. Today my loss is 10,000 rupees, etc. etc. In contrast, I was witnessing my investment was growing at least daily 5,000 to 50,000 rupees. It is very interesting to watch. Doing nothing, but our investment is growing. But there is a small correction. I said doing nothing, no, but I have done earlier my homework perfectly. So those homework, what I have done, what are the process involved in that homework, that I would like to share with you so that you can also benefit a lot. First of all, you have to select the right kind of stocks. The right kind of stocks means the promoter should have holdings at least 65%. That means the promoter is having confidence in his own company. So there is every possibility that the share will be growing. And second thing, that the shares of that company should not have been pledged in any bank or financial institutions. Checking this data are made easy nowadays. There are various ways. If you want, I can tell you some 2-3 important apps where you can find all this data. So another thing is the 3-year CAGR sales percentage should be in the region of 30 to 50%. Also 3-year CAGR NP, that is net profit, should be around 25%. This is an indication that the company is growing in a healthy way. Another thing is, having identified to invest, whether we must see the stock is nearing to its 52 weeks high or 52 weeks low. If it is the second one, you can go ahead immediately. If it is the first one, that is, if it is nearing to the 52 weeks high, you wait for some more time, then you start buying. So the next and the last one is news driven stocks. If any particular government policy is announced or any market driven, market impacted news, something like nowadays pharma companies are thriving well because of the COVID situation. If you are able to trace out those stocks, then you will be immensely benefited. So, having said all these things, you must take into account before investing. Another important thing, don't borrow for investing in stocks. You invest only from your savings. That too, not at one stretch. In a phased manner, you invest. If having bought that stock, if the price coming down, you wait for some more time. Definitely one day it will go because you have done your homework right. Don't be in a hurry to see the returns. Like Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, you must detach to the shares also. You may be wondering why I am pulling the Bhagavad Gita into this context, because sometimes we are having more affinity towards the stock. Sometimes we are hating some stocks. Those things to be avoided. And whatever we are doing, you sarvam Krishnarpanam, like that, in that mentality, you buy and sell, then there won't be any loss at all. Recently, I identified one of the best stock available in Indian share market because of its unique style, that is Avenue Supermarkets. I strongly recommend to our viewers, investors, to buy these shares. There is no chance at all you will be losing money because their business model is very strong. The promoters are very reputed promoters and having experience in share market for more than 2-3 decades. Above all, wherever the DMart is located, it is situated in their own premises. That means they bought the share on that market, D market premises on their own money, no rent basis, and they are giving the grocery items also at a very cheaper rate, which are very much essential for the day-to-day usage for the common man. Above all, the real estate price of the shops where it is located also going on increasing. Another interesting thing, they are having one e-commerce platform. Very soon they may come for IPO. Of course, there is no basis for my guessing. Definitely, one day they will come with an IPO for the e-commerce platform. Hope you will enjoy the video. During my next video, I will give you 2-3 important factors as well as one important stock where you will invest confidentially. Thank you for watching.